Hi, here is a small video to help a child start with the Quizlet sets. So, what you see right now on the screen is the link we have shared with the child in the WhatsApp group. So, we have shared the book number one, Big Pig. So, I'm going to click on this, and this will open up in the Quizlet app. So this will bring to the child this set, and each set has learned flashcards, write, match, and the test. So the starting point should be the flashcards is the number one exercise child is
I
supposed to
skip.
do. And in this, when you open this, it has the
Skip.
word
I skip.
and the sentence for that word, and the local language support. In this case, it's in Kannada, the meaning of skip. So what child should do is press the option button and make sure the audio is turned on and shuffle is off. And then reset the cards again, and
Big.
we do big.
I see a
I
big
see
dog.
a big dog, and the meaning of big in Kannada. So the child
Big.
can go through these cards
I see a pig.
one
Pig.
by one.
I can read. Can.
And we encourage
I
the
jump.
child to say the sentence and the
Jump.
word jump.
I jump.
I jump. This will
I
help
ride.
them. I ride.
Ride.
Ride. And actually, we should also do the term first, not the definition first, so that the word appears first and the term. So big.
I see a big
I
dog.
see a big dog.
Big. Pig.
Pig.
I see a
I
pig.
see a pig.
Can.
Can.
I can
I
read.
can read.
Jump.
Jump.
I jump.
I jump.
Ride.
Ride.
I ride.
I ride.
Skip.
Skip.
I skip.
I skip.
Hop.
Hop.
I hop.
I hop.
Fly.
Fly.
Can I fly?
Can I fly?
Dream.
Dream.
I dream.
I dream. So this is the end of the flashcards. Next thing will be learn. So in the learn, go to the setting and turn the audio on, and keep only the multiple choice on, otherwise it becomes too much of the exercise. So just keep the multiple choice on, and that is pretty much it. And they can do restart learn.
I dream.
So this will take them to multiple choice questions. So I dream.
I dream.
They can tap on this so
I
that
dream.
they can hear the sound also. I dream, and then supposed to do dream.
Dream. Can I fly?
Can I fly? Fly.
Fly. I ride.
I ride.
Ride. I see a pig.
I see a pig. Pig.
Pig. I skip.
I skip.
Skip. I can read.
I can read. Can.
Can. I jump.
I jump. Jump.
Jump.
So this is 63%. So we have to get to 100. So we continue. Start the next round.
I hop.
So this is something, just say not now. I hop. Hop.
Hop. I see a big
I
dog.
see a big dog. Big.
Big.
Now we reach 100. So this is the complete learn exercise. And then we do a write. Next
Can
round.
I fly?
So here the child is supposed to type in the words which is underlined. So in this case, fly is the word underlined. So F-L-Y, fly.
Fly. I see a pig.
Pig, P-I-G, pig.
Pig. I jump.
J-U-M-P, jump.
Jump.
So we encourage
skip.
the child to always speak the word so that they
Skip.
get very comfortable
I see a
with
big
these
dog.
words. Big, B-I-G, big.
Big. I dream.
Dream, D-R-E-A-M, dream.
Dream. I hop.
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 So this is the right exercise, and then we do the match. Start the game. And here the tiles needs to be matched. So can, and then we need I can read. Fly, can I fly? Pig, I see a pig. I skip, skip. Dream, I dream. Ride, I ride. So that is the match. And then the test, and test we can all do only true or false. Start the test. So I skip, and underlying is the jump, so these are not the matching. Skip and jump does not match, so it's false. Can I fly, and pig does not match, so it's false. I see a pig, pig, it's matching, true. I jump and skip is false. I hop, pig is false. I dream and ride is false. I see a big dog, pig is false. I can read, can is true. I ride and jump is false. So that's 100. I didn't make any mistakes. So that is your test. So child is supposed to do all these 5 exercises for each set. So start with flashcard, turn the audio on, do the learn with the audio on, do only multiple choice, and finish till 100. Do the write, do the match, and the test. Hope this video helps in with the children.